How many hours in a day do you spend being frequently exposed to the sun?
2 to 3 hours.
Are you aware of the possible health risks you can develop when exposed to electromagnetic waves such as UV rays?
Not specifically, but I know it can increase the risk of cancer in some cases.
How do you protect yourself from sun exposure?
Sunblock.
What possible effects could happen if you are exposed to these electromagnetic waves?
As a physician, as an internist, hematologist, I deal with adult diseases, specifically cancer. I am concerned with its effect on the different organ and its functions. For example, the blood cells. Definitely, the production of the blood cells can be affected, causing bone marrow failure, and that of course is very clinically significant. It may not be suppressed, but the function can be impaired. And on the other end of the spectrum, the production can be stimulated and thus can lead to cancer. That for me is my main concern.
How can you protect yourself from electromagnetic waves?
We have measures to limit exposure to electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves we cannot avoid actual electromagnetic waves whenever we do, for example, diagnostics. No? We have it. We are exposed to it when we do X-ray or the other imaging modalities, and even treatment. We give radiation. We give a lot of radiologic or oncologic intervention to halt again. If it's a source of if it's the root cause of a disease, we can also use it to kill these cells. No? So what we do is we can limit exposure. We can use protective gears, and then requesting only for diagnostics whenever it's needed. And what else? Giving only enough of these radiologic oncologic dose of the electromagnetic source.
What can you recommend to those such as yourself that cannot prevent constant exposure of electromagnetic waves?
Again, do it only whenever it's needed.